part of Chennai is one of the oldest rowing centers in India. But giving you a 400-page read into its history and, more importantly, its growth over the last century is Mr. S. Muthaiah himself, a name we're all very familiar with, especially for his language on paper. So without further ado, Natasha tells us all about his latest creation. To quote S. Muthaiah himself, "'Twas the height of summer not so many days ago, on my usual walk along the Adyar when I saw a sight I'd never seen before." He referred to the Madras Boat Club, one of very few institutions to have archived 50 years of its rich history right from 1974 till date. And what bigger reason to put pen to paper? By calling the compilation Down by the Adyar. Let's hear it from the man representing those that actually brought rowing to India.
A celebration of a club that has been going 143 years, established by the British, but obviously taken on and sustained by the Indians. And it's vibrant, very busy, wonderful membership. They've had their ups and downs, but they've made a fantastic contribution to rowing in India.
Apart from the fact that it's been 2 years in the writing, the book features not just past glory, but historical moments from the present as well. But the closest to the author's heart is a moment from back in 1989.
If I look at one thing in the book which really struck me, is somebody else's contribution, it's not my contribution. Aarti Rao is one of the 4 girls who rowed at that 1982 Asia, and they were one of the first Indian women's teams to make a mark internationally. And Aarti Rao wrote in her own words the 3-year training schedule they went through.
Well, these are pictures of the all-women's crew from Tamil Nadu that represented the country at the Asian Rowing Championships, the 3rd Asian Rowing Championships actually. So the best part is that it's all in this book, a wonderful book by S. Muthaiah. It's the story of the Madras Boat Club. Now really, it's not just for the rowers, but an inspiring and very interesting read for sportsmen alike all over the country. So it's definitely something that you have to pick up at the stores and from the Madras Boat Club. In Chennai, Natasha for NDTV Hindu. Well, that is a beautiful story showcasing the real glory and beauty of Chennai. Well, that's a wrap on this bulletin. But up next is Striptease with my colleague Ashwin Kumar. Stay tuned to NDTV Hindu.